Hi guys, Mark here in our Durham branch today. We've got a rather nice looking mobile home that's had some DPF problems, suspected turbo issue, but we've got to the bottom of that. We placed a troublesome sensor that we pinpointed with a detailed evaluation, and here you can see the process in action. The class-leading Hydroflow decarbonisation machine here produces nearly 2,000 litres of hydrogen gas an hour. Bubbles along down here. You might see that, I don't know. And then it's introduced into the engine via the induction system. Once we've done this, as per usual, we'll let our customer go for a test drive in his vehicle, and we'll ask him if he'd be good enough to do another live customer review. If you have any problems with turbochargers, EGRs, DPFs, or just wanted a detailed evaluation, feel free to give us a call.